Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to resize images in Windows 11 in a very simple way. If I go to into this PC and go for downloads, here you can see so you can see I will drag down it into desktop like this and then this picture. So I will going to click on the right mouse button and then I will get the option called open with. And if you want to open with photos, you can do it simply as you can. And here you can see there is an option called photos and paint. So I'm going to click on these photos and click just once. So now what you can do, you just simply click on these three horizontal line, and here you can see there is an option called resize image. So if you click on that, and from here you can simply select the width and height according to your interest, and then you can simply select the percentage if you want, or also you can use the pixels. And from here you can also set the file size. You can also select PNG or any of another formats. So I'm going to select the PNG and going to save it into download section like this. And now you can see you can resize it very simply. So this is how you can resize Windows 11 in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.